Hey, welcome back. It's so good to have you along with us here. It would not be the transition of seasons if we didn't have some stormy weather from time to time. It looks like tomorrow is going to be one of those times. We've got storms in the forecast for us. This is satellite imagery, but it's not just the clouds we're looking at here, because we want to look at not just the moisture in the clouds, but the other less outstanding moisture, the water vapor that's showing up. So we do have plenty of moisture in place here across central Texas. We could see some very heavy rains. We've got a frontal boundary that's working its way through the mountains right now. We've got a dry line that's become active out across West Texas. That's always a focal point for thunderstorm activity because it's such a sharp contrast between the moist air to the east of it off the Gulf of Mexico and then the drier desert air behind it. And as that dry line makes its way towards us, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, we'll start seeing showers, maybe even a couple of thunderstorms out west of I-35 as the front gets closer to us and the warm air kicks on back towards the east. We stand a pretty good shot at showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for us. Throughout the afternoon hours, into the evening, more widespread rain and possibly lingering into Friday morning. Friday itself looks like it's going to be pretty nice, but in the meantime, tomorrow looks like it's going to be pretty stormy for us. Right now, we have seen clouds increase in coverage across our skies. It's partly cloudy now, but it'll be mostly cloudy later this evening. 68. Look at these winds out of the south-southeast at 20 miles an hour. That's an indication of how strong that low-pressure system, that cold front, out to the west of us is right now. Atmospheric relative humidity stands at 43%. So with that kind of moisture in place, we won't cool very much tonight. In fact, dew points will be high, and with high dew points, then you have a more unstable atmosphere. That's the saving grace for us right now. Lows tonight will be around 60 degrees with afternoon high temperatures tomorrow back up into the upper 70s to almost 80 degrees in a few spots. Yeah, that's pretty warm, but what we're seeing is a fairly stable atmosphere here in central Texas. So the big threat of severe weather may pass us by, but please be weather wise through the day tomorrow. Increasingly cloudy tonight and windy, 70 the overnight. Low south winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. 50% chances of rain and thunder for central Texas tomorrow. 60% chances of rain and thunderstorms Thursday night into Friday morning. Look for a high getting up to 78 to 80 degrees. St. Patrick's Day is going to start out cloudy, but we should see some sunshine late in the day. Much cooler for the weekend. Right now, I'm forecasting a Saturday morning low of 34, but we could be cooler than that in some of our western communities.
How am I going to get a suntan for the spring, Andy, at 34 degrees?
You're going to have to get a tanning booth, I think.